I'd rather be doing something where we're, working super hard and incredibly busy, but in the thick of it and doing all the interesting work than, work, 9 to 5 and do something that's not as interesting. I'm Michael Newman, the Senior Assistant Attorney General for the Civil Rights Enforcement Section in the California Attorney General's Office. The Civil Rights Enforcement Section includes the Bureau of Children's Justice, the Disability Rights Bureau, and the Racial Justice Bureau. And we also have a significant amount of work with regard to what we call the federal accountability workload, essentially standing up for California's sovereignty and California values. I am a native Angelino, born and raised in the San Fernando Valley. My mom and dad have been married for 62 years. They still live in the house I grew up in. Growing up in the San Fernando Valley was a lot like you'd imagine growing up in the 1950s would have been. My dad was an attorney. Growing up, the thing that I went to sleep to every night was my dad downstairs below my room dictating into his dictaphone. My dad, my brother, and I all went to the United States Supreme Court, and when the Chief Justice read off the admissions, he read all 3 of our names, and then he said, "The Newmans are in the Supreme Court." And it was very sweet. Some of the biggest surprises in terms of finding Jewish communities have happened on the Silk Road in Uzbekistan and going to the sand synagogues in the Caribbean, where it's the same synagogue that you'd see here in Los Angeles. My love of the Dodgers, my Jewishness, it all kind of comes together with Sandy Koufax. So I have a Sandy Koufax jersey always ready in case somebody calls me to go to a Dodger game. I always have a Sandy Koufax jersey ready in the office. Over the course of a lifetime of Hebrew school and the bar mitzvah and the full year's schedule of all these really important holidays that translate into the values that go into civil rights. I'm really proud to be able to have dedicated my legal career to advancing civil rights for all Californians.